Today we are going to make green tagliatelle. They are special because of their vibrant green color, which complements the rich redness of the ragu sauce we prepared for this wonderful pasta. Let's learn how to make it. In a bowl, mix semola with a pinch of salt. Form a well in the center. Add the eggs and the spinach. Mix and knead until the dough is smooth, adding extra semola if needed. Depending on how much water the spinach has retained, you may need to add more semola. As the spinach is not dehydrated, the dough will look speckled at first and more of a uniform green color as you keep on kneading. Shape it into a ball. Cover it with cling film and let it rest for at least half an hour. The more it rests, the better. Resting helps the formation of gluten, which makes your dough more elastic and easier to roll out. The dough has rested. Let's start making tagliatelle by hand rolling. Sprinkle some semola on your wooden board. Flatten the ball using your hands first, then position it in the center of the board. Roll and rotate the sheet until it is thin enough to see your hands through it. Fold your sheet of pasta, sprinkling some semola in between the folds, and start cutting using a long, big, sharp knife. Once a few strips have been cut, unfold them and spread them on a wooden board. Cook them in salted boiling water. As soon as they start floating, remove them and add them to your sauce. Toss them for a few seconds. We serve these tagliatelle with our delicious ragu sauce. The recipe is linked in the description below. Thank you for watching this Bettina cookery video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future content. Goodbye.